Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to get on here tonight and show you 3 new digitals that are now available in my Etsy store, or they will be by the time this video uploads. So I'm going to show you what I've cut out and done so far, then I'll show you the kits, and then we will work on some of these together. So the first kit is this one. Let me move these out of the way for now. So this is the first kit, and it is a vintage rose library card and pocket set. And I have to say, I love this. Love, 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 love this. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can see that I matched the library cards and the pockets. So I have already cut out one of the kits. And you see the cards fit perfectly down into the pocket there. You can use, you can coordinate it with the pocket that coordinates with it, or you can mix and match. You can do whatever, but I love how that looks. So it's got some beautiful like lace elements and stuff on it. Just absolutely stunning. So there's that one. And then we have this one. How pretty that is. I love it. And then we have this one. I love this one. I think this one may be my favorite because I've got the lace at the bottom and at the top. I love it. I don't know. I love them all. I don't know what I'm saying. Then there's this one. So this is the vintage florals, or vintage rose, I think is what it's called. Library card and pocket digital kit. And I will make sure that I link these below. But aren't those just gorgeous? Look at that. Love it. Okay, so that's the first one. And then the second one is just the this is the vintage florals. That one's the vintage rose. And so I've done kind of the same type thing where I have the, the flowers matched with the library card pockets. And I just kept these pockets kind of simple. It's coffee dyed paper. And so we have this one. It's like a blue and pink. And look at this one. Love, 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 love it. And then this one, oh, it's so pretty. So, so pretty. And I do have more kits similar to this in the works. I think the butterfly kit is almost done. So this one is the vintage florals. And then, these pockets will just glue right down into your journals with those gussets like that. And so you just glue it down and you've got your library card that you can take in and out. Okay. Now this third kit is huge. And I kind of played off of the that layered floral one. But I kind of went a little bit further. And so I think it's like maybe 9 or 10 pages. I don't know. We'll count. So I've done, it's the same, each page is like the same image, but different colors. And so we have blue, a yellow, pink, like a tan or neutral type color, a green, and then like a reddish orange. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I took and I done them smaller. Okay, so it's a 9-page kit. Okay. And so when I tell you that this kit is huge, I didn't realize how huge it was until I got all of this cut out. And let me just show you. So there's the small blue ones and the large blue ones. all I can say is thank goodness for my scan and cut, because with my eye the way it is, there's no way that I could have done this, not cut it out. So this is what all comes in this kit. So, I mean, it's just, and you can layer the colors on top of each other. You know, you can do all yellows together, or you can layer the colors together. There's just so much you can do with it. Okay, so look at this. This kit is huge. Now, what I've done, and let me just show you. Oh my goodness, guys. I've got pieces of this kit all over the place. So let me just put like the bigger pieces kind of together, and then the little pieces kind of together, and we'll kind of work with it a little bit. And I'll show you what I've already done, and we may do like one or two together. And just see what it looks like, and just kind of give you some ideas that you can do with the kit. So these are just a couple that I've done tonight. This one I haven't really done much to. I just literally stacked several of the images on top of each other. This one's more flat. I could go in with some of the liquid pearls here, and I could like embellish this up and put like some little pearl accents on some of these pieces to, you know, bring it out a little more. That looks cute. So that's, you know, some of the different things that you can do. I'm gonna try and get it up where you can see it without me. So it's just really simple and cute, and this one would lay flat in the journal. This one I just I didn't glue these or anything, and just kind of stuck three different ones together. So it's a green one, a blue one, and a pink one. I stuck one of the little brads in it, so you can, you know, put it down in your journal like that. You could lift it up and make it more of a flower type shape. You could put a button in there. You could put some of the liquid pearls. This one is just two of the little pieces put together, and they're put together with a brad, and then I kind of pulled them up a little bit, and so it really does look like a little flower. And so that's what we may try to see what we can do today or tonight, or, you know, whatever it is for you guys. Let's go with the yellow. So I have like all of these different, and I've done different images, different types of images, because I wanted to give you such a variety. I like that yellow, so let's go with that yellow. And what about a pink? That one's too big, but we have the smaller pinks over there that we could go with, or we could even do like this. What about if we done something like that? And then, let's see. Oh, how cute would that be? Let's do that, and then we might just put a brad in it. And I'm gonna ink it, and you don't have to ink them, or you could ink them with different colors. You know, if you like really want to bring them out, you could do like a red and a bright yellow or something on them. You know, you could do anything like that. It's just, they're fun. These are just really fun to make. I have to say I have enjoyed making these. And the thing about these are, with having the kit like this, it just gives you a kind of like a base to work with. And I know, like with me, if I have a base or an idea to work with, it makes it a lot easier for me. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cheat, and I'm just going to take this little poker, and I'm just going to attempt to poke a little tiny hole right in the middle there. And that's all I'm going to do. because I really can't see too good still. And so just about as much of the middle as I can. It really doesn't have to line up. And then I'm going to take one of my baby brads and try to stick it through that hole, which is easier said than done when you can't really see good. Okay, and then I'm going to stick it through this hole here. And you can glue this if you wanted to, but I like the look of the brad, so that's why I'm doing the brad. And then just pull these out. And look how cute that little flower is. Look at that. And you can even turn it, you know. So there you go. Let's maybe make one or two more. This video will not be very long tonight because I'm still having so much difficulty seeing. But I have to say it is getting a little bit better, so that's a good thing. I'm just going to go ahead and ink this up like I know what I'm doing, which I don't. I don't even know if I'm going to use this piece, but I had already, oh well. Okay, so let's see. We could really use like that contrast there. And we might just build one of just the one, you know, just that one color in a second. So I'm just enjoying the different pieces right now. I don't know how that will look. I think that may be too much. But you know what I think I want to do? I actually think I want to put a brad in this. Just because I like the look of the brad. But I do want to glue this one down, I think. I don't know. I'm just, you know, winging it right now. So there's that. And there's that. I don't think it needs to be glued down. I think I'm okay with it not being glued down. But I want to put some of these on the blue because these are the same color as that back piece. How cute is this? Super, super, super simple. Look at that. Adorable. Yep, it's adorable. Okay. Now what if we took, let's maybe grab the yellow. I wonder what it would look like if we kind of layered the different yellow pieces on somehow. We got that, and then we could go like, see, I don't know, I'm just trying it. I don't have a clue how it would actually look. I'm just trying it out. But see, that actually would look cute because I'm getting the different sizes, especially if I inked it. So that it would not just kind of blend in together. I'm thinking, I don't know, who knows? I don't have a clue. We're just trying it out. We're just playing with it. Oh, and I will show you one thing I did do on the kit. Let me get this done so we can see if we can do this or not, and then I'll show you. I have had a blast with these. Okay, so we put that there, and that there, and that there. So yeah, I mean, you could do the same color and it like that. It looks kind of like a starburst or a sun. So you can easily layer the different all of the same color. Another thing that we could do, you know, we are not, it doesn't have to be just flowers. You could take the different images and you could line them up, and you can make a belly band like that. And I'm just getting the same image, I mean the same little thing, but you don't even have to do that. So see, you could do a belly band very easily. Just like that. And then you could even go back in on top of that, and you could go like with your smaller ones, and you could, you know, add to the top of it, add some different elements, you know, just something fun, quirky. That's all I'm doing. You know, so that would look cute as like a bookmark or something. There are so many different things that you can do. Now, once you get them done, let me show you what you can do with them. Now, this is a project that I'm actually working on for another video. But, like this is a little paper bag. I could take, look how pretty that would be right there on that paper bag. Would be gorgeous. And this would be cute, you know, put some lace behind it, put some ribbon behind it, some vintage book page, and it's flat enough that you wouldn't have to worry about it interfering with anything, but it's just so cute. And then it's fun to just do that with. So yeah, anyway, it's, you know, it's not a very long video, guys, and, you know, I apologize for that, but I just wanted to get on here and show you guys the new kits that are in my Etsy store, show you a couple of things that you can do with them, and hopefully I should be able to do a video tomorrow. My eyes are definitely getting better. The pain is much better, much better. So I'm just ready for the vision to, you know, get better and better. So yeah, I will try to do a video for you guys tomorrow. Like I said, this is something that I am working on. This I made out of some of the packaging paper that come wrapped around a pair of shoes or something I had got. And so I was like, what can I do with that? So yeah, that's what I done. But we're going to work on some of that kind of stuff tomorrow. But anyway, thanks so much, guys, for watching. And make sure you head over to Etsy and pick up your kits. Yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.